morning, guys. As you can see, we want to process palm oil. So this is the second stage. Actually, the first stage is boiling your banga, then the second stage is pounding, of which you can see that is what I'm doing. So we are pounding. This is how you pound your banga. So you pound, make sure it's smooth as that. So yeah, this is the second stage. Remember, the first stage is boiling your banga and the second stage is pounding, of which that is what I'm doing. Outcome, I'm done pounding. This is how it looks like when you are done pounding. So from here we are going to move it to here, then wash it. Okay, welcome to the next step of processing palm oil. So this is the third step. After pounding. So you separate the shaft from the palm kernel. Yeah, so that is what I'm trying to do, separating the shaft from the palm kernel. So this is how you wash it very well, properly. Make sure you separate them very well. So this is the first step. After washing here, you wash here, then you rinse here. You wash here, then rinse here. So as you can see, I'm done separating the shaft from the palm kernel. So this is the palm kernel. You can see how clean it is. Then we come here. You come here, you wash properly. Make sure to wash properly. You can see the quantity of water here is not much because the shaft is not much too, and we don't want a lot of water. So you wash properly. Make sure to wash properly. For those that use firewood, you can use this to make your fire. The shaft, you can use it to make fire after it's dry. So you can keep this one. It's not a waste. It's not a waste. Make sure to keep it for your fire. We are done washing the palm kernel, so it's time to rinse it. And please note, when rinsing, the water for rinsing should be hot water, so as to wash out the oil. You don't want to pack all your oil away, so you rinse with hot water instead of cold water. When you want to wash, you can wash with cold water, but when rinsing, make sure to add hot water so as to wash out all the oil inside. So this is how we do it. So I know you do hear of palm kernel oil. Yeah, this is what they use in making that. So it's not a waste too. The way the shaft is not a waste, same way the palm kernel is not a waste. You can use it to make palm kernel oil. Then for those that do eat soaked gari, you can use it to eat your soaked gari. Yeah, drink gari, the way you people call it. You can use it to drink gari. You just break it, remove the nuts, then use it to drink gari. So that is it. You see, in all this process, everything is important. There is no waste. You get your oil, you get your palm kernel oil, yeah, palm kernel, then you get your shaft for making fire. So in all this process, it's a win-win. There is no waste. It's a win-win. Everything is usable. You get. We are done washing. So this is how the water looks like. This is what you are going to cook. Then this is the rinsing water. This is the washing water. See the rinsing water. So you remember I told you to always rinse with hot water. You see, if you hadn't rinsed with hot water, you will pack all this oil into this and this. So always remember to rinse with hot water so you don't waste your oil. So from here now we are going to take it to the pot to cook properly. Then stay tuned and watch the outcome. This is the final stage of processing palm oil, and you can see the oil is ready. The oil is ready for consumption. So you scoop it out to a smaller pot because there's still water left inside. There's still water left. So you separate the oil from the water. Then after separating the oil, you make sure to boil this so that there's no water left in it. You can see there's still some particles of water in it, so you boil this so that there's no water left in it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do like, comment and share. Thank you very much.